Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to integrate OptinMonster with Zapier. Once logged into your Zapier account, click on Make a Zap. Next, under Choose a Trigger App, click on Webhooks. Here, select Catch Hook and click on the blue Continue button. In this step, where it says Pick off a child key, you can select to only receive certain data. But for our purposes, we'll click Continue to receive all data. And next, we'll copy the webhook URL provided. Now we'll need to go to our OptinMonster account, to any campaign you'd like to integrate, and click on the Integrations tab. Under New Integration, select Webhook under Email Provider. And here, you'll type in a webhook account label, such as OptinMonster Leads for Zapier. And under URL, we'll paste in the webhook URL we just copied. Click Connect to Webhook, and here you'll see the lead data that will be sent. So we'll want to click Save and go back to our Zapier account to make sure that we've integrated correctly. And if you've done so correctly, it should come up with a hook sample. And here you'll simply click Continue, and you'll be prompted to add an action to your Zap. Zapier connects more than 1,000 apps, and with this new integration, you're ready to configure what Zapier should do with the data OptinMonster sends for each campaign submission. See our written documentation for more ideas on how to maximize your Zapier integration. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation, and for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.